Looking to add a festive touch to your home without going overboard? Imagine walking into your home and seeing beautiful Christmas-themed planters that make every corner feel like a winter wonderland. In this video, I'm showing you some of the best and most creative Christmas planter ideas that will light up your holiday season. What are some unique indoor Christmas planter ideas? Bring the holiday spirit indoors with these creative planter ideas. Miniature Christmas tree planter. Use a small evergreen or cypress tree in a decorative pot, add mini ornaments and fairy lights, and you've got an adorable indoor Christmas tree without the big commitment. Mason jar planters with poinsettias. Line up mason jars filled with soil and plant poinsettias, then wrap the jars with burlap and red ribbon. This simple setup makes a charming centerpiece for any table or shelf. Succulent arrangement with ornaments. Arrange succulents in a festive bowl or tray and add small ornaments and faux snow for a modern, easy-to-maintain Christmas vibe. Love these ideas? Don't forget to like and share for more holiday decor tips. How can I create outdoor Christmas planters that can handle the winter cold? Winter-resistant evergreen planter. Use durable evergreens like cedar, pine, or spruce. Fill a large container and add pine cones, red berries, and branches sprayed with silver or white paint for a frosty look. Lantern and branch display. Arrange winter-friendly plants around a large outdoor lantern. Add birch branches, faux berries, and pine for a cozy entrance display that's weatherproof. Frosted window planter boxes. Use planter boxes along your windows filled with winter greenery, then add faux snow spray for that classic frosty window look. Comment below on which outdoor planter idea you'll be trying this Christmas. What are some budget-friendly Christmas planter ideas? DIY painted pots with simple greenery. Paint old pots in red, green, and white. Fill them with affordable evergreens or herbs for a budget-friendly festive setup. Upcycled tin can planters with festive ribbons. Use tin cans as planters, decorate them with ribbons and ornaments, and fill with small pine branches or winter herbs. Stacked planter trees. Stack small potted plants on a tiered stand, add small baubles and fairy lights, and you'll have a planter Christmas tree that's low cost and adorable. Want more budget-friendly holiday decor ideas? Check out the link in the description. What are some colorful Christmas planter ideas for a vibrant look? Ornament-filled planter with white poinsettias. Fill a planter with red, green, and gold ornaments surrounding a white poinsettia, creating a striking contrast that's perfect for a colorful Christmas look. Candy cane painted pots with festive flowers. Paint planters in red and white stripes to mimic candy canes and fill with flowers like poinsettias or amaryllis for a vibrant holiday statement. Multicolored succulent bowl. Use succulents in various colors like green, red, and purple in a wide, shallow bowl. add some mini ornaments or tinsel to create a colorful focal point. Subscribe for more colorful decor ideas to brighten up your holiday home. How can I make planters with natural elements for a rustic Christmas look? Pinecone and branch planter. Fill a wooden crate or basket with pine cones, branches, and holly. Tie it with burlap ribbon for a rustic vibe that brings nature indoors. Bark-wrapped planter with greenery. Wrap a basic planter with tree bark or wood veneer. Fill it with seasonal greens, adding texture and a natural look perfect for rustic Christmas decor. Berry branches in a burlap sack. Fill a burlap sack with fresh or faux berry branches, secure with a twine ribbon, and you've got a rustic, minimalistic planter. Like rustic decor? Add this video to your playlist for more natural holiday ideas. How can I use lighting with planters for a magical Christmas feel? Fairy lights in evergreen planters. Wrap fairy lights around your outdoor or indoor evergreen planters. They create a magical, glowing effect, especially beautiful at night. Glowing lantern and plant combo. Add battery-powered candles to lanterns and surround them with potted evergreens or poinsettias for an inviting glow. LED string lights with faux snow. Arrange LED string lights in planters with faux snow and miniature Christmas trees or ornaments for an enchanting display. Want a magical Christmas vibe? Make sure to check out the product list in the description. What are some DIY Christmas planter ideas using affordable materials? DIY planters are a great way to get creative without spending a lot. Here are some budget-friendly ideas that look amazing and are easy to make. Repurposed container planter. Use items you already have, like galvanized buckets, old baskets, or even wooden crates, as planters. Fill them with greenery and festive accents for a rustic, budget-friendly display. Dollar store ornament planter. Pick up affordable ornaments from the dollar store and fill your planter with them alongside evergreen branches. This affordable option looks festive and can be customized with your favorite colors. Pinecone and branch planter. Take a walk and collect pine cones, branches, and even fallen evergreen boughs. Arrange them in a container and add a few berry sprigs or a bow for a simple, natural planter that costs next to nothing. If you're a fan of budget-friendly DIYs, hit that subscribe button for more creative and affordable holiday decor ideas you can make yourself. And there you have it, Christmas planter ideas that fit any style, budget, and space. Whether you're going for rustic, vibrant, or classic, there's something here for everyone to bring holiday cheer to your home. Which idea are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.